Hi. So I would like to explain this order and compare decimal activity that is your part of your math assignment for today, Wednesday, April the 8th. So this is the PowerPoint that you will see right above this video, and it gives you all your directions, okay? You can either print out or make your own cards with the decimal numbers on the following two slides. So after this direction sheet, you will see this page that has 9 different decimal numbers, and this page that has another 9. So there's 18 decimal cards in total. You can either print them out, like I said, cut them apart, or make your own. Find note cards in your house, get a piece of paper and cut it into equal size or close to equal size little squares, find Post-it notes, whatever you have that will work, okay? You write all those different decimal numbers down, one on each card, or print them out and cut them apart. And then you have 2 different tasks that you need to do with those cards. So the first task tells you you have to turn all the cards over so you can't see the decimals, and then you pick 2 of them. When you pick those 2, you're going to compare the 2 that you picked. So let's say, just looking at this page, that I picked 64 hundredths and 3/10. I would write down 3/10 and 64 hundredths on a piece of paper, whatever I decided to use as my answer sheet on a piece of paper. And in between this number, 3/10 and 64 hundredths, I would write the symbol that compares them accurately. So in this case, 3/10 is less than 64 hundredths. So I would put a less than symbol, writing these two decimal numbers in between. Okay, so that's the first task. You have to do that 6 different times. So that's the first time, then you do it 5 more times. So when you're done, you have 6 different sets, pairs of decimal numbers, and the symbol that belongs in between each one of those sets, pairs. Okay, then you have another task. Your second task is to turn over all the cards so you can see them, and then put them in order from least on the left-hand side to greatest on the right-hand side. Once you've gotten them all in order, you can do that on a table, you can do that on your floor, whatever space you have in your house that will work, that you can lay them all out so you can put them in order. If you have any that are equal, we've done number lines before. If you have any that are equal, you can put them one above, one below, okay? Or you can put them both in the same space, both below the line. What your line is, whatever your space is. You don't actually have to draw a line or have a line on your table or your floor, but line them out. Once you have them all lined out, then you're going to write them down, draw a line on your paper, maybe turn the paper over to the back so you have the room, and turn it sideways and draw your line this way, and then write your decimal numbers in order from the least on the left-hand side to the greatest on the right-hand side. Okay, and then once you have both of those tasks done, then you will take a picture of your paper so I can see all your answers. If that means you have to do 2 pictures because you have your number line on the back or on another page, then do that for me and submit it for credit. So that's your math activity, compare and order decimals, or order and compare decimals task for today. You also have a Go Math page that is due today that is about comparing and ordering decimal numbers. It's page 537 and 538. There's a link for a video. This assignment, the compare and order decimal task, gets submitted here to this assignment, and then there's a new assignment that's the Go Math page, a different assignment for today, and that's where I'd like you to submit the Go Math pages, 537 and 538. There's also a video there, a math on the spot video, to help you remember about comparing and ordering decimals if you need some help. All right, great. Good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.